Here's Saturn app, and here's countdown to summer widget. So how it works, make sure you have the Saturn widget. After school, the widget will show the countdown to summer vacations, I guess. So yeah, you just, I guess, need to install any widget from Saturn app, like that, from settings app or from your lock screen. You need to find Saturn app here, and then there are two types of widget: class progress, which can show your class progress, or upcoming classes, where you can see your next classes here. So whatever you want. And then yeah, that's how you can install it here. So that's the idea. And after, after the classes end or something, you will see this countdown to summer widget after school. But to find this widget and to properly install them, you need, of course, have iOS 16. I mean, you need to have like some newer iPhone or iPhone 8. Then you need to have a Saturn app installed, and in Saturn app you need to be logged in, create an account and logged in into your school. Otherwise you won't be able to find the lock screen widget.